Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make Chili's Honey Chipotle Chicken Crispers. Let's get started with the video. First, we're going to make a seasoning mixture for the chicken. In a small bowl, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and a half teaspoon of pepper. Mix everything together and then set the seasonings to the side. Next, in a large bowl, mix together 1 1/3 cup of buttermilk, a 1/4 cup of hot sauce, 1 egg, and the seasoning mixture we made before. Then add 1 pound of chicken tenderloins into the marinade, making sure each piece is completely coated. Let the chicken marinate for 30 minutes to an hour or overnight. Now let's prepare the seasoned flour. In a shallow dish, combine 1 cup of flour, a half a cup of cornstarch, and the same seasonings we used for the marinade. When you're finished, remove the chicken from the fridge. Then add some of the marinade into the flour mixture. This will create the crispy bits on the chicken when we fry it. Now remove the chicken from the marinade, letting the excess marinade drip off. Dredge the chicken in the seasoned flour mixture, pressing it in and making sure it's well coated. When you're finished coating the chicken, set it to the side. Then repeat this process with the other pieces of chicken. Let the chicken rest for 10 minutes before frying. While the chicken rests, heat a neutral oil in a pot or deep fryer to 350 degrees. Fry the chicken in batches for 3 to 4 minutes until the coating is lightly golden. Once the chicken is finished frying, place them on a wire rack or a paper towel covered plate to drain. Let them rest for 10 minutes, then increase the temperature of the oil to 375 degrees and then refry the chicken for 2 to 3 more minutes or until crispy and deep golden brown. I love double frying my chicken because it always gives the chicken a crispier coating. Now that we've finished cooking the chicken, let's make the honey chipotle sauce. In a saucepan over medium heat, mix together a half a cup of honey, a 1/4 cup of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of diced chipotle and adobo sauce, and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Once everything is mixed together, bring the sauce to a boil. Then reduce the sauce to a simmer and let it cook for 2 to 4 minutes or until the sauce has become slightly thick. Once you finish making the sauce, pour it over the chicken tenders. Toss the chicken tenders in the sauce until each one is fully coated. And that's it, you're all done. And this is the finished result. Honestly, I might be bold to say that these might taste even better than the chicken crispers you can get at Chili's. The chicken crispers were crispy and well seasoned, and the sauce is simple but tastes so good. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!